Camera opens with a cinematic shot of a sleek, roaring machine gliding down an open highway, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This isn't just another RV, it's the perfect marriage between Lamborghini's iconic supercar DNA and the lavish comfort of a luxury home on wheels. As my channel's intro rolls, you know you're in for something special, where speed meets opulence in a way the RV world has never seen before. The moment you set your eyes on this beast, the sharp aerodynamic lines, aggressive front fascia, and signature Lamborghini Y-shaped LED lights instantly tell you this is no ordinary vehicle. Sitting on massive alloy wheels, the low-slung yet elongated frame gives it a dominating road presence, making every other motorhome look tame in comparison. Step closer and you notice the carbon fiber accents, sculpted bodywork, and a paint finish that mirrors Lamborghini's supercar color palette, from Verde Mantis Green to Giallo Orion Yellow. Stepping inside feels like walking into a high-end penthouse suite that just happens to be on wheels. The interior is a masterclass in Italian craftsmanship. Plush Alcantara leather seats, precision-stitched upholstery, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The living space features a full lounge area with Lamborghini-branded furniture, a high-definition entertainment system, and panoramic windows that make the space feel open and connected to the world outside. The kitchen is nothing short of gourmet, fitted with smart appliances, induction cooktops, and a wine cooler, perfect for fine dining anywhere on the planet. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed, climate control, and even a retractable roof section for stargazing, while the bathroom boasts marble counters, a rainfall shower, and heated floors. Details you'd expect in a luxury suite, not in an RV. Performance-wise, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a marvel. Under the hood is a modified V12 engine delivering an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, making it officially the fastest motorhome ever built. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, a figure unheard of for something this size, and cruise effortlessly at high speeds with stability and control that only Lamborghini engineering can provide. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride, while active aerodynamics adjust for efficiency or performance on the fly. The driving experience is further enhanced with a digital cockpit inspired by Lamborghini's Aventador and Revuelto supercars, complete with gesture controls and AI-assisted navigation. Of course, all this performance and luxury comes at a price. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome starts at a jaw-dropping $3 million, with customization options pushing it even higher depending on materials, tech packages, and bespoke features. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a purchase. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and the ultimate blend of adventure and adrenaline. As I close out this review, from the moment you see it, this masterpiece commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic profile and Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa red finish. The bold front grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it the stance of a racing champion, while carbon fiber accents and massive alloy wheels hint at the performance that lies beneath. It's a motorhome that looks like it's built for the track but is designed to take you anywhere in supreme comfort. Step inside and you enter a world of refined elegance. The panoramic glass roof bathes the interior in natural light, highlighting the exquisite craftsmanship all around. Hand-stitched Italian leather, Alcantara surfaces, and precision carbon fiber details bring Ferrari's racing heritage into a living space that feels like a high-end luxury suite. The driver's cockpit is straight from the supercar playbook, featuring a performance steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital display that keeps you connected to every detail of the journey. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Plush seating invites you to unwind, while a state-of-the-art entertainment system with immersive surround sound transforms the space into a private theater on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-tier appliances, a sleek induction cooktop, and even a built-in wine cooler, perfect for enjoying fine dining no matter where you are. The dining table effortlessly converts into a work or lounge area, making the space versatile for every type of traveler. At the rear, the master suite is a sanctuary of comfort, complete with a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling storage. The en-suite bathroom rivals that of a luxury hotel, featuring marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and smart climate control for the perfect temperature day or night. Every detail has been considered to ensure that long journeys feel effortless and indulgent. But the real thrill comes when you ignite the engine. Underneath this luxury shell beats the heart of a 1,000 horsepower powerhouse, giving the Ferrari Motorhome performance figures that most RVs could only dream of. The advanced suspension and precision handling allowed this large vehicle to take corners and glide over highways with the confidence of a sports car. Of course, such exclusivity comes at a price, with starting figures around $3.5 million and fully loaded models reaching up to $5 million. For those who demand the best in speed, style, and sophistication, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement, turning every road into a personal red carpet of adventure. Open road has always had its charm, but what if that road was traveled in pure BMW style? Today, we're taking you inside the all-new 2026 BMW Motorhome, a true masterpiece that blends luxury, technology, and performance like never before. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another RV, this is a mobile statement of elegance. The exterior design is bold yet refined, showcasing BMW's signature grille with a modern twist. Sleek LED headlights flow seamlessly into the aerodynamic body lines, giving it a sporty yet commanding road presence. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, offering not just great views for passengers, but also a stunning profile for anyone watching it pass by. This isn't a box on wheels, it's a luxury sculpture designed to move. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a private jet lounge on wheels. The cabin is bathed in soft ambient lighting, with high-quality leather seating, hand-finished wood accents, and BMW's latest curved digital displays integrated seamlessly into the walls. The driver's cockpit is pure BMW engineering, ergonomic, high-tech, and designed to make long-distance driving effortless. Passengers get reclining lounge chairs, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, a spacious bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower. It's clear BMW has thought about every detail, from storage solutions to climate control, ensuring that no matter where you are, comfort is never compromised. Performance is where BMW sets itself apart from traditional motorhomes. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, the 2026 BMW Motorhome offers both eco-friendly efficiency and the kind of acceleration you'd expect from the brand. Adaptive air suspension smooths out every bump, while advanced driver assistance features, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and AI-powered navigation, make driving stress-free even on long routes. This isn't just a vehicle to live in, it's a vehicle you'll love to drive. BMW's engineering ensures stability at high speeds and confidence on winding roads, something most motorhome owners can only dream of. Technology is woven into every aspect of the experience. Voice-controlled systems manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment. A state-of-the-art sound system turns the cabin into a personal concert hall. Smart glass windows can tint at the touch of a button for privacy, and the onboard AI learns your preferences over time, adjusting settings automatically. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury apartment that happens to have wheels. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW Motorhome starts at around $850,000 for the base model, but fully loaded versions with all premium options can cross the $1.2 million mark. While that's certainly a steep price, it's aimed at those who demand the very best in both travel and lifestyle. This is not just transportation, it's a moving five-star experience. For those who can afford. Inside the 2026 Volvo Luxurious RV instantly feels like stepping into the future of travel, where innovation meets unmatched comfort. From the moment the door closes, the cabin wraps you in a cocoon of elegance, featuring handcrafted leather seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic windshield that opens up breathtaking views of the road ahead. Every surface feels premium, with soft touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and an intelligent dashboard equipped with Volvo's next-generation AI driving interface, making every journey smooth and stress-free. The quiet hum of the powerful hybrid engine ensures a serene ride while delivering impressive fuel efficiency for such a massive, luxury vehicle. Moving to the rear, the interior transforms into a full-scale living space with multiple levels, equipped with a gourmet kitchen, a plush lounge area, a dedicated workspace, and even a spa-like bathroom with premium fixtures. The upper floor offers spacious bedrooms with king-size beds, smart climate control, and retractable privacy glass, ensuring ultimate relaxation on the go. On the outside, the 2026 Volvo Luxurious RV commands attention like nothing else on the road. The futuristic design is enhanced by sweeping curves, bold golden accents, and an LED lighting system that gives it a dramatic glow at night. Its aerodynamic body isn't just for show, it's engineered to improve stability and reduce wind resistance, making it surprisingly easy to handle despite its massive size. The exterior storage compartments are thoughtfully integrated, offering generous space without breaking the sleek lines of the vehicle. The retractable balcony feature is a true showstopper, allowing travelers to enjoy sunsets and fresh air without ever stepping off the RV. Volvo's attention to safety is evident, with advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, and automatic leveling to ensure stability when parked on uneven ground. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo Luxurious RV is powered by a high-output hybrid drivetrain that combines diesel efficiency with electric smoothness, delivering exceptional torque for uphill climbs and highway cruising alike. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride even on challenging terrains. Noise insulation is top-tier, meaning that inside, the world outside simply fades away, leaving only comfort and luxury. Long-distance trips become effortless with an impressive driving range, fast charging capability for the electric component, and low maintenance thanks to Volvo's advanced engineering. Pricing for this masterpiece reflects its elite status in the motorhome market, starting at around $2.5 million. The 2026 Volvo Luxurious RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of success, innovation, and a love for world-class travel. For those who demand nothing less than the best, it delivers a unique blend of home-like comfort, cutting-edge technology,